Here in the video, we are going to talk about Fidelity Investments error code MA5011. The error reads, the share quantity entered for this order is greater than the maximum allowed. Please review your order or contact a Fidelity representative for additional information. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to place a buy or sell order, but the order doesn't go through and shows this error. According to our research, this error occurs when the number of shares entered for the order exceeds the allowed volume threshold for a particular security. This is a control set by Fidelity to comply with SEC Rule 15C3-5, which is designed to prevent potentially disruptive trading. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to reduce the number of shares for your order or consider placing a limit order instead. This might help you stay within the allowed thresholds and avoid triggering the error. Once you adjust the order, check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then we suggest you reach out to the Fidelity support team. They can help evaluate the order and may assist in placing the trade. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.